Affiliate marketing is hands down one of the surest and easiest ways you can use to start making money online as a total beginner. The only problem there is that a lot of people overcomplicate the concept of affiliate marketing, and that is why in this video I'm going to make it simplified by showing you the step-by-step ways in which you can understand the concept of affiliate marketing and how you too can also benefit from it. I am not a professional when it comes to affiliate marketing, but I'm just going to show you the practical tips in which I have been using to earn money as a university student. My name is Basi Ejogba and I'm a student at the University of Calabar, and in my channel I share helpful tips. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. I also share these videos to your friends so that they can come here and get value. And just like I said, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to let you understand the concept of what affiliate marketing is all about and how you too can join in affiliate marketing and start making money. Now the thing is that when it comes to affiliate marketing, I am not promising you that you are going to make hundreds and millions of dollars, hundreds of billions of naira. This is where a lot of people used to get it wrong because of the over promises they have been hearing, and when they come into when they start entering what they wanted to do, they find out that this thing is not as easy, or it is not how these people are saying is going to be. Like you're not going to make 50 billion and stuff like that. But I'm just going to show you like ways you can use to start making easy money, like 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira as a student, as a sit-at-home mom, or even someone that's looking for a side hustle if you are currently working. Number one way is that if you want to go into affiliate marketing, you should choose a niche. So a niche is simply, now what is affiliate marketing? That is what you are supposed to know. Affiliate marketing is simply you promoting someone else's product or business and getting a commission in return. Basically, you have been doing affiliate marketing without you knowing. You have been doing the concept of affiliate marketing like you know something, okay, you know where you can get something cheap, you get there, you go there and get it cheap and you come and sell it to people at a higher amount, right? That is what people have been. Or you connect someone to buy something from someone and in turn you get your own share. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. So it's not complicated as people have been making it to be. So if you want to go into affiliate marketing, the first thing you must do is must choose a niche, right? So when I talk about choosing a niche is simply what you want to be promoting, what you want to be selling, what you want to be getting commission from. And it is not just enough for you to choose a niche, you must choose a profitable niche. There are some niches that are not that profitable, right? So let's say I'm into how to make money online, I'm into the gadget and the tech review and stuff like that. The amount of money someone is going to make from there, like someone that is talking about how to make money online, finance and tech stuff like that, is going to be bigger than someone, okay, let's say I'm into affiliate marketing, selling of phones. I sell phone, a particular phone, I talk about a particular phone. Let's say that phone is 240,000 and my share is going to be at least 40,000 naira there. Right, so my commission there, if I can sell a phone of 240,000 naira, my commission will be 40,000 naira from there. You cannot compare me to someone who is going to sell marker or books or notebooks, of notebook of 10,000 naira, or a notebook of 1,000 naira where the person will be getting 300 naira from. You get to see. So you must choose something that is profitable, that you don't even need to sell plenty to plenty people. You don't need to sell it to 1 or 2 persons or 3 persons and find out that you have made enough money which can cater you. So you should choose a profitable niche when you want to go into affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that is very, very profitable. I know it's to follow your passion. A lot of people talk about following your passion, but this one is business, this one is marketing. So marketing is simply you want to make money now, you want to provide value and you make money, but this is not your own. So what you just have to do is to promote this someone's business to another person. This person buy it. You are like a middleman who is connecting the two of them, right? So choose a niche that is very, very profitable. Number 2 is, after choosing the niche in your head or you write it down, is you join affiliate programs. Affiliate program is, let's say I want to start selling phone. I want to be like a middleman where I'll be bringing this phone to people to buy and I will be getting my cut. I don't produce phone. I don't have the amount of money to start selling phone, right? Now what I do is I go and meet someone and say, okay bro, I'll be selling your phones, I will get people to come and buy your phone, and when they buy your phone you give me commission. At that particular point in time, that is the affiliate program I have joined into, right? So I'm just trying to make it into a simple math understanding. At that particular point in time, that is the affiliate program that I have joined. But when it comes to online, if you don't want, or if it's something that people cannot see and stuff like that, you join online affiliate programs. We have digital, I think Digital 24, something like that. We have StakeCut, we have Expert Naira, we have Prompt Earn, and the rest of them. So join this affiliate program, sign up with them. I think some of them cost 2,500 naira, some of them cost 5,000 naira to join these affiliate programs. Join these affiliate programs and you have access to thousands of products which you can affiliate, right, which you can get people to buy, and in turn you get your commission. Now, after joining this affiliate program, the third step is you create simple content based on that particular product you want to promote. So let's say I want to promote a particular brand of phone. Let's say I want to promote a particular brand of phone. Let's say a Redmi phone. What I simply do is I can probably go to that store, I get that phone, or I simply create, if I can't have access to that phone in particular, like physical, I simply create content centered on that particular product that I want to promote. After creating content on there, I can create this content on Facebook, I can create this content on YouTube, I can create this content on TikTok, I can create this content basically anywhere, right? So after creating this content, what I simply do is I tell them that, okay, check the description. From the description, you get access to my affiliate link where you can buy this product. People click on it, people purchase this product, and in turn I get my commission. That is just how it is. You create simple content tailored on what you are promoting. So if you are promoting phone, don't go and be creating content on shoes. If you are promoting shoes, don't go and be creating content on phone. Create content that people are looking for, that will solve a particular problem. Content that will solve a particular problem, telling people that your product, right, their product, this thing that you want to sell to them now, can solve their problems and stuff like that. So you must create simple content based on that particular product you want to promote. The fourth way is, after creating content, although creating content is good, right, because I want to talk about driving traffic. You should be able to drive traffic to your content. You should be able to drive traffic to your content, which in turn people will get to see your affiliate link and make purchase. So you can also drive traffic straight to your affiliate link. It's also good, right? Now, creating of content is the free way of getting traffic, right? That is just how it is. But if you find out that a lot of people are not going to see it and stuff like that, then you can decide to promote it. You can go on Facebook, create sponsor posts, ads, Facebook, WhatsApp ad, TikTok ad, and stuff like that. Make sure you drive traffic, because if people don't see what you are doing, if people don't see your link, how will they purchase? Some people are looking for that particular stuff that you are promoting, but because they don't know, or you don't know how to meet them, and they don't know how to meet you, or they have not seen you, then you won't be able to sell to them. So you should be able to drive traffic to your content. You should be able to drive traffic to your affiliate link. If you don't want to make ads, join Facebook groups, join groups tailored to that particular stuff you want to promote, and create value there, and in turn drop your affiliate link, and some people will get to purchase and stuff like that. So after driving traffic, the next thing is scaling, right? Scaling is also very, very important when it comes to scaling. So scaling is, instead of selling a particular product, let's say I want to sell a product, I want to make $100. Let's say I want to make $100, and that particular product I want to promote is sold for $10. Right, that particular product I want to promote is sell for $10. Find out that I have to sell 10 units of that particular product in order for me to reach that particular amount of money. But if I am to sell a higher amount, a product with a higher amount, let's say I sell a product, just 2 products with a benchmark of $50. You find out that I will just sell 2 and I will get up to $50. I don't need to sell up to 10 of that particular product to reach the $100. So that is basically the concept of scaling. You must look for a way on how you can increase your effectiveness, how you can increase your productivity even without you disturbing yourself or stressing yourself out, right? So you must create systems that will be able to give you this profit you are looking for, right? And the last one, which I call the bonus, is building an email list. Don't just create free content for people, and don't just create content with the hope that everybody that click on your link must buy. There are some people that you consume their content, but they don't have that amount of money at that particular point in time. Not that they won't have it too, they might have it next month. So, and your content will go. There are a lot of content being posted on the internet. Your content will go and they will not see it again. So the best thing you have to do is to start creating an email list. Create an email list that you will use to nurture your potential buyers, which I call the leads. So create content, make an email list, let them sign up, create free content for them, let them drop their email, continuously send them emails, valuable emails, and you find out that when they finally have that money to buy that particular product, the first person that is going to come to their mind is going to be you. So that is just how it is when it comes to starting or beginning in affiliate marketing to make money in affiliate marketing as a total beginner. I've talked about picking a profitable niche. I've talked about joining affiliate programs. I've talked about creating simple content to drive or to let people know what you are doing. I've talked about driving of traffic. I've talked about scaling and also building an email list. Drop it in the comment section. Like I always tell people, it is not enough for you to just watch a particular video and nod your head, but rather watch a particular video, consume it, and see how you can start taking actions immediately. If you want me to coach you on your affiliate marketing journey, just drop it in the comment section and I will help choose a profitable niche which you can start with depending on your personality and stuff like that. If you love this video, if you find it very educative, find it informative, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.